videos of you uploading.
Oh my god. Yo, that's just silly. Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? Back on the tube with it. Is that the G8? Oh my. Oh! Marco G8 is so crazy, but we up here getting the pipes cut off. I'm out the clinic. Oh my god. Man, we getting mids cut off this. Let me come up here, man. That boy tripping. That pulled up tripping, boy. All right, so
What do you want to do?
keep revving. That's my car. Keep revving.
Well, what do you want to do?
Oh, just the mids.
What?
Just the mids cut off.
Mid motherfucker.
All right, this is before, man. So he finna come take it. Oh yeah.
It's popping a little bit too.
Yeah.
You should just cut this bitch straight to the headers, bro. Fuck this exhaust.
You think so?
Headers, nigga.
No, I'm not. Don't listen to me.
Fine. So just know. Yeah.
That's how terrestrial.
My green one came in the mail today.
Greenwood.
I got like,
let me see.
green. I don't have a picture. I'll show you when I get home.
You
Greenwood.
got your order confirmation though.
It's not
Man, so that's going in the shop, man. Y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all stay tuned. You feel me? Out there, y'all gonna get a nice little sound. You feel me? Might go get a car wash too, man.
Nah.
First, we're gonna get the mids cut off, but now I'm gonna get the resonators cut off, man. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. Get the reds cut off. I'm gonna show y'all the tips I got. These chrome tips. I'm gonna end up putting these on here. Might as well, man. Put the reds in. Right now, man, I'm finna give y'all some revs. Y'all see we got the bigger tips on there. Y'all already see we cut the. What did we cut off? Just the reds? Right, we cut the revs off. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some revs. It's a cold start, hasn't been started today. Fresh in the morning, boy came drip.
Look at life shit.
Bro, this is a family-friendly channel. You can't be cussing on here, bro. But yeah, you finna give y'all boys some revs, show y'all how I do. Man, I still ain't really doing nothing with the car. I'm still waiting to get the plates. I go get the plates in the morning. So, next video, I'm going to get in the plates. Y'all going to be seeing me drive. I can't drive. I ain't got no plate. The Secretary of State is booked up with the appointments only due to the coronavirus issue. You got something to say, man?
Just keep watching the ads. He'll come 392.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah, yes, sir.
If
Keep
y'all
watching.
really watch the ads for real, you going to come Hellcat.
Oh, yeah. Well, we going to grind this out with this, man. First sports, luxury car. Man, we gonna see. I'm gonna give y'all some revs though. 1 second. Yeah, like I told y'all, I took the resonators off, man. Look at these big. A lot of people say they real big. They look like suitcases. I don't know where that come from, but yeah, these are two res. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of here, set these away, or do something with them. I don't got no use for them. They don't need to be in the car. So yeah, if y'all want to see what those look like, they really big, like big, you know. All right, man. We're finna get to this one in 1 second.
As you can see, we got horsepower, man. No way. He could. No way. as y'all can see, the car is very loud. Very, very loud. Huh. eBay, what you got to say about
Man,
it?
as y'all can see, man, y'all heard it when I got it stocked with resonators on. It didn't sound good at all. We got the tips on there. We got resonators on there. It sound way better, man. I'm really glad with the sound, man.
Right. Right, that's really perfect.
Got your boy out here looking rough, but yeah. So when I get my plates, I'll do some pulls for y'all. And so yeah, it's here, man. Yes, sir. So I'm going to get the plates tomorrow. Got a couple other things in mind I gotta do for tomorrow about the car. Go get an oil change for it. So yeah, oil change. Oh yeah, now I do want to get headers for the car. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna get some headers. Want to go take the cats off. I'm gonna get an air intake maybe. I don't know. Y'all gotta just stay tuned and see what we gonna do, man. I can't lie to you. Guys stay tuned. We got the car. Also, man, we need a name for the car. What we gonna name the car? And I need a name for some of my supporters, man. I need to have some type of name for y'all. So yeah. I mean, we got some. Yeah. We got it, man. The tips on here make it look better. And they look way bigger from the tips. Let me show you. Look. Real nice on here. And they go right up under the bumper cuts. Real nice and smooth. Yeah. I'm glad I got the new tips, man. 300C Hemi. Yes. It's 5.7. We're going to do V8 stuff. You know? If y'all new to my channel, I'm eBay, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video, man. We Mopar, Dodge, Chrysler, whatever you want to say it is, but we in that type of club. I don't do none of them car 300 clubs. I ain't with none of them, man. Y'all boys, I'm by myself, man. If I rock with you, you know how I rock with you, man. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the car, man. We gonna get up out of here. We go. you.